What's the meaning of collaborative? Collaborative. Collaborative.
Collaborative. Collaborative. Collaborative refers to the act of working together with others towards a common goal or objective, often involving cooperation and mutual support. This concept can be applied in various contexts, from business and education to research and art. By fostering collaboration, people can combine their unique skills, ideas, and perspectives to achieve more significant results than they could attain individually. Collaborative efforts can lead to improved problem solving, increased innovation, greater efficiency, and enhanced creativity. Moreover, they can promote teamwork, communication, and trust among team members, leading to stronger relationships and a more supportive work environment.